Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is the NTH 100 Rode headset and this came out fairly recently and it's also Rode's first venture into making a headset. Now I've been a big supporter of Rode because it's an Australian company and most of the time I think their products are pretty good. So I thought I'd get this particular headset in to use in my setup. And overall, I think this will probably be a pretty neat headset. So anyway, let's get it out the box, have a bit of a closer look, and then I'll give you my opinion on whether I think this is a good headset to get if you want something for some sort of studio work, or basically if you're a person like myself who uses your camera to do sort of filming and you want to monitor your audio, is this a good option to get? Anyway, let's get it out the box and we'll go from there. So the first thing out of the box is basically this cable. Now this cable has a locking mechanism for the headphones, which is pretty good, and this particular cable is 2.4 meters long. Now they do give you options to buy other coloured cables of the same length and also shorter cables of 1.2 meters. And unfortunately they don't include the two different lengths of cable in the box. So you're only getting the 2.4, you don't get the 1.2. So if you want a shorter cable, which is probably what I will have to do, is purchase it separate. So a little bit of a negative for not actually including two cables in the box, especially since it's their first headphone set that they've produced, and it would have been nice to have had the option on that. But this is the first thing out the box anyway. Next is this little packet here which contains some different coloured tags that you can attach to the cable, and if you own other cables you can attach it to that, and it's also got an adapter from the 3.5 to the larger size for using in studio work. Now they include this, which is okay, but as I said earlier, it might have been nicer if they just included the other cable instead of these little coloured tags and let you get those separately. But this is the next thing out the box. Comes with this little carry case bag, and this is okay, but I would have liked something a little bit more harder, maybe a sort of a basic hard type case that you could have used. It is only soft and plush. It sort of doesn't really offer any protection to the headphones themselves, but they do give you a basic carry case, which is something I suppose. And finally we've got the headphones themselves, and overall the quality of these are quite nice. They definitely feel comfortable. The squishy foam part for your ears is very nice, and it does feel nice when you put it on your head. This is also nice here, and this is all metal. Now they do have an adjustment little clip thing here, which is quite good, so when you adjust it you can actually lock it so it won't change the size when you use it, the headphones for your job. Basically that they'll be set for that size so you don't have to keep readjusting them. And it also includes the connection for the cable on both left and right, which is also quite handy. So pretty much everything about this is pretty good, but the thing that I've found actually using these is that the sound is nice but not necessarily the best sound. It is a little bit soft, and to be perfectly honest, this is what I've been using to monitor my audio when I'm out in the field or if I want to use it in the studio. And I've been using the Sony 7506, and overall these are very good. This has some plus features. It's definitely more comfortable to wear than these, and I do like the adjustment and the fact that the cable can be put in different sides of the headphone, which is quite handy. But the sound from these I do feel are slightly better than the Rode, and also the cost of these are also quite a lot cheaper than the Rode. So if you're looking for studio monitoring headphones and you don't want to break the budget too much, probably go with the Sonys, but you will find that the Rode are also very nice, but I'm probably leaning more to the Sonys for these. Overall, I was happy with this as a purchase and I will use these, but I'll probably gravitate more back to my Sonys. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.